Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into a fascinating GitHub project, NotepadJs. It's a surprisingly popular recreation of the classic Windows Notepad, but with a modern twist.
A modern notepad? Intriguing. What makes this one stand out from, the countless text editors already out there?
That's a great question. It's not just about the functionality, it's about the experience. The creator, Itamarom, aimed for a pixel-perfect recreation of the original Notepad's simplicity. Plus, it's installable as a progressive web app, PWA, which is pretty neat. Offline access, and a truly native-feeling experience.
APWA? So you can use it even without an internet connection? That's a smart move, especially for something as basic as a notepad. What's the tech stack like? I'm curious.
Absolutely. It leverages Vue.js, which is a popular JavaScript framework, for the front end. And, get this, it uses the File System Access API for local file operations. That's a pretty modern approach to handling files directly from the browser. They also use TypeScript, CSS, and HTML, of course.
The File System Access API. I see. That's a relatively new feature, right? It must make the whole file saving and loading process much smoother than older methods. It's interesting how they've managed to combine such a simple UI with relatively advanced tech.
Exactly. It's a testament to how even simple applications can benefit from modern web technologies. And speaking of simple, the UI is remarkably faithful to the original Notepad. The GitHub page even includes screenshots showing just how close it is. It's almost nostalgic.
Nostalgia is a powerful motivator. I bet many users appreciate that attention to detail. So, it's open source, right? What's the license?
Yes, it's open source under the GPL 2.0 license. That means it's freely available, and anyone can contribute. The creator even explicitly welcomes criticism, issues, and pull requests, which is a great sign of a welcoming community.
That's fantastic. Open source and actively maintained, that's a recipe for success. It already has 120 stars and 4 forks on GitHub, which is pretty impressive for a project like this. What's next on the roadmap?
Well, the creator still has some ambitious goals. They're aiming for a completely pixel-perfect Notepad UI, and there are a few more features planned, like improved local file system operations. It's a work in progress, but it's already quite functional and enjoyable to use.
It sounds like a really well-executed project. A simple idea, but implemented with modern tools and a clear vision. I'm definitely checking it out. Thanks for highlighting this hidden gem.
My pleasure. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Remember to check out the NotepadJs project on GitHub, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.